In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook Reels not playing. First, launch open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Under Preferences section, find the option of Media. Tap on that. Now find the option of Autoplay. If it's set to never autoplay videos, then that could be the reason your Reels aren't playing automatically. You want to change that to either on Wi-Fi only or on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once you've changed the settings, go back and check if Facebook Reels are playing normally. If it is not, then the next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, press and hold on the Facebook application, then tap on this eye icon. This should take you to Settings. Here you want to find the option of Storage. Tap on that. Now tap on the Clear Cache option. Then head back. Now tap on Force Stop. Then tap on OK. You also want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Facebook application. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Facebook. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.